Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you a rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Shighram Shighram. What is meant by Shighram Shighram? Shighram Shighram means quickly, quickly. So fast, right? Quickly, quickly. See here, children. First, I will sing the rhyme. You just listen, children. Second time, I will sing the same rhyme. You repeat after me, children. Okay? Listen carefully. कथयथ खादति कथं छागलः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. Listen carefully, children. कथयत खादति कथं छागलः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. कथयत चर्वति कथं वानरः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. कथयत चर्वति कथं वानरः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. Then the third paragraph. See here, children. कथयत धावति कथं घोटकः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. कथं पर्वतात् वहति निर्झरः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. Okay, children? Listen carefully. The third and fourth paragraph. कथयत धावति कथं घोटकः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. कथं पर्वतात् वहति निर्झरः शीघ्रं 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 शीघ्रं. Okay, children? Now I will explain you the meaning. Listen, children. First, कथयत खादति कथं छागलः. What is meant by छागलः? छागलः means goat. Goat. Okay, children? What is meant by katham? Katham means how. How. Then khadati. What is meant by khadati? Khadati means eat. Eats. Kathayata. Kathayata means say. Please tell. So, what is the meaning for the first line? How the goat is eating the grass. How the goat is grazing the grass. Did you see, children? The goat will graze the grass quickly, like this. Quickly it will eat. Okay, children? For that only they have given Shighram, 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 Shighram. Quickly, quickly the goat is grazing the grass. Okay, children? You can see the picture. See here. See the goat. It is grazing, right? How it is grazing? It is grazing fast. Okay, children? Now the second paragraph. Listen, children. Second paragraph. कथयत चर्वति कथम Vanaraha. What does mean by Vanaraha? Vanaraha means monkey. Monkey. What is meant by Katham? Katham means how. Okay, children. Then what is meant by Charvati? Charvati means peeling. Peeling. In Tamil we say urikkiradunu solluvaanga. If you give a banana to a monkey, what the monkey will do? Suddenly it will peel all the skin of the banana and eat soon, right? It won't wait for other monkeys to come, right? See here. Charvati, peeling. Then Kathayata. Kathayata means say. Say, tell. So what is the meaning? Yeah, you say how the monkey is peeling the skin of the banana. The answer is Shighram, 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 Shighram. How the monkey is peeling? Quickly, quickly it is peeling the skin of the banana and eating fast. Okay, children? You can see the picture here. See here. What the monkey is doing? The monkey is not eating, but it is taking the peel quickly. Okay. The monkey is peeling the skin quickly. Okay. Then the third paragraph. See here. A horse is running fast, right? See here. The third paragraph. Kathayata dhavati katham ghotakaha. What is meant by ghotakaha? Ghotakaha means horse. Okay, children. Katham means how. Correct. You are right. How. Okay. What is meant by dhavati? You know pretty well. What is meant by dhavati? Dhavati means to run. Okay. Runs. Kathayata means say, tell. How the horse will run? How the horse will run? Did you see horse races? How the horse will run? Very quick, fast, right? So the answer is Shighram, 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 Shighram. The horse is running quickly. Okay, see the picture here. See the picture. How the horse is running quickly, right? See here. Then the fourth paragraph. See here, children. Katham parvatat vahati nirjharaha. Katham parvatat vahati nirjharaha. What does it mean by nirjharaha? Nirjharaha means waterfall. Waterfalls. Okay, children? Waterfalls. Vahati means flow. Flow. Parvatat. What does it mean by Parvatat? Parvatat means from the mountain. From the mountain. From the mountain. Parvatat. Katham means what? How? Okay, children? So, what this paragraph describes? How the waterfall is coming down from the mountain. What is the answer? Shighram, 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 Shighram. Quickly it is coming down from the mountain to the earth. Okay, children? To the land. Okay, children? See here. See the waterfalls. See here. This is the waterfall. It is coming from the mountain and coming down to the land. Okay, children. Now I will sing the rhyme one more time. You repeat after me, children. The name of the rhyme is Shighram Shighram. Quickly, quickly, very fast. Okay, children. Kathayat khadati katham chagalaha. Shighram 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 Shighram. Kathayat charvati katham vanaraha. Shighram 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 Shighram. Sorry, the third paragraph. Kathayat dhavati katham ghotakaha. Shighram 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 Shighram. Katham parvatat vahati nirjharaha. Shighram 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 Shighram. Did you enjoy this rhyme, children? Yes. Thank you so much. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.